times x. Because if you write 7x is the same, I just make you see that. Everybody understand that? All right. So after this, I'm going to write the 7 times x. Everybody see that? Good. So 7x equal 100. That means that x equal to 100 over 7. That means that x equal to, work that out for me. 14 point? 14.29. 5 bracket or times any one of them, right? 5 times 14.29 over 7 times 14.29. This implies 5 times 14.29. 50, 70, that look like 72. 71.45 over 100. This implies 71.45%. You see that, glasses? Are you glasses? Are glasses with Dr. here? All right. Come see some of them come last week and have some fashion glasses. Everybody understand that? All right, good. So we'll move to the next part now. All right. So them say write this decimal as a fraction. No, 0.56. If you do the same principle, may I teach you the two way, but make this first. Every number is itself over 1 because 1 is the divisive and the multiplicative identity. Anything that you multiply by 1 give you back itself, and anything that you divide by 1 give you back itself. So 1 is the divisive identity and the multiplicative identity. So if we have 0.56, it is 0.56 over 1. Everybody see that? Right? Now we can now go back to the same exact process that I just teach you. Because this then implies that 1 times x equal to 100, 1x equal to 100, x equal to 100 over 1. That means that x equal to 100. Right? I then come over here, so now, and I get 0.56 times 100 over 1 times 100. Then that gives me now 56 over 100, which gives me 56%. Do you understand that? Everybody understand that? Now watch me now. What if I say turn 0.876? No, come again. It's over 1. So you're going to write, so this implies 0.876 over 1. Are you understanding? No. 1 times, so 1x. 1x equal to equal to 100. X equal to 100 over 1. X equal to 100. 0.876 times 100 over 1 times 100 give me 0.1222. Give me 87.6 over 100 equal 87.6%. Everybody see that? All right. Give me a number. Give me a decimal. 2.05. Ready? When you can see the board, give me a board check there. Implies 2.05 over 1. 1x equal to 100. What am I doing here? What am I doing here? Finding my multiplier. X equal 100 over 1. X equal 100. Now, if you realize the decimals, it always have an equal to 100. So it's really just to multiply the top by 100. Everybody see it? But it comes from this concept. Everybody understand? So the principle is that this is over 1. Are you understanding? Everybody understand the principle? Good. All right. So we come now and we say this implies 2.05 times 100 over 100. 1 times 100. This implies 205 over 100. This implies 205%. ANS equal 205%. Everybody see that?
Oh, we moved the decimal point.
2 places because it's times 100. And multiply moves to what direction? Increasing moves to what direction? And what are the increasing functions? A multiplication. So when you multiply, you move to the right 2 places. If you're dividing, 2 places. Are you understanding? Now, what did they say? Change 205% into a fraction. 205 as a percent is not true. So then now you have to say 100 into 2, which is equal to 2 and 5 over 100, which is equal to 2 and 1 over 20. Everybody see that? Who don't see that? Who don't see that? Watch out. Yeah, madman? It's funny board. Change 205% to a fraction. 205% is simply anything percent is over 100. Am I correct? So 205% is what? But that is not finished. Is that finished? All right, good. How do you then break down this fraction? You said denominator into numerator. So we're going to come now and say, boom, 205 divided by 100. Everybody see that? 100 into 205. 2 times. 2 times 100. 200. Left 5. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So that now becomes equal to 2 and 5 over 100. Everybody see that? Everybody understand that? But is that finished? Because it can break down further. So it comes and say, all right, 5 into 5 1 time, 5 into that 20 times. Everybody see that? So that means 2 and 1, 20. Everybody understand that? All right. Now, suppose I change 2 and 1, 20 to a percentage. 2 and 1, 20 to a percentage. So I'm going to go 2 and 1 over 20 to a percentage. I first carry it back to an improper fraction. So this is what we have to know. We'll go back to the reverse. Everybody see that? So you run the way here for go so, and then you reverse the function for come so. You notice them not turn around because you do the exact steps in the opposite. Everybody see that? Good. So what comes to now? So what comes to now? How do we change to an improper fraction? Huh? The bottom number, big number, 20 times 2 plus 1 over, and then what we do now? Find my multiplier. This implies 20x equal to 100. Everybody see that? X equal 100, ANS 205%. You see that? You see that? Where we are go from? Hit that on the video. 2 and 1 over 20. We are reverse the step. What we have to change it into what? Improper fraction. Bottom number times big number plus top number. 20 times 2. Top right and watch. 20 times 2. And 1. So this implies 41 over 20. May I write good? This is 20. All right. You see that? Now we have a fraction now. No matter if a proper or infraction, it's a fraction. You see that? So now we want to change this though, the denominator into 100. How we know that? 20 times something equal to 100. Are you seeing that? That means that something equal to 100 divided by 20, opposite function. You see that? That means that x equal to 5. Something equal 5. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So I come over here, so now and I say 41 times 5 over 20 times 5. Are you seeing that? That means that 41 times 5 give me 205 over 20 times 5 give me 100. That means it implies 205%. Everybody see that? All right. That means I move on. When they come, you must get them right, you know. All right. Change 45% to a decimal. %, implies 45 over 100. Everybody see that? This implies 45 divided by 100. Everybody see that? This implies 45.0 divided by 100, and then it comes to 1, 2, which equal to 0.45. Want to see that? You see that? Or you want me to go over it again?
Go over it again.
Give me another percent. 27. 27%. We soon do 50. So 27% as a decimal. First thing we're going to go. First thing we're doing, fraction over 100. So that implies 27 over 100. Now when something is over something, what does that imply? What does the line imply? So that means that implies 27 divided by 100. Everybody see that? Now that implies 27 actually have a point, 27.0 divided by 100. So all I'm doing now is to make you know that my point exists. Are you understanding? In the same line now, I'm going to say since this is divided, in which direction does it go? Why? Because reducing functions go to the left. And expanding functions? What are the reducing functions? And what are the expanding functions? All right. Everybody see that? Why am I got 2 spots? Because 100 have 2 0. Are you understanding that? Good. So that is equal to 0.27. Everybody see that? You don't see that? You see that? So your face make up. 27.0. No 27. So now my pint, I put for no, so I'm going to move my pint, my girl. Oh, you're going to move the pint to the pint not there. Why you never? Oh, you're going to move it. Move it, show me without it there. Move it, show me now, without it there. Me not a pint, move it. Move the pint without the pint. That's what you have to put your pint. You get the pint? All right. 50%. Ready? Implies. What does imply? Round the back, walk one, all that. Hey, what make Chinese boss? What make you look out the door? What does imply? 50. Oh, okay, you're better. 12.50, which implies 0.5 because 0 is a placeholder, she said. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Good. It is an ready. It's on the video. Let's go watch the video. Let's go watch the video. Right now, with the chapter 7, now we need to go chapter 35. We have to hurry up. 3.7%. Yeah, on the board. Hey boy, pull on the back the pan the ground. Pan the ground. And pull on the phone with it. And watch the board. 3.7% implies 3.7 over 100. You see that? Is the entire thing over the 100. All right, good. This implies 3.7 divided by 100. Everybody see that? This implies, do I have to put a next point? Can a point exist? Oh, make sure you understand that. So that implies 1. What happened now? We have to add a 0 because, wait, you look like you're better than them. Everybody see that? So that equal to 0.037. Everybody see that? Huh? This is the answer. Can you put as a decimal? No, man, what do you mean? Point. The only reason why 0 remains is because I needed a spot. You see that? Everybody see that? The one that hey, we said the one that fight out people every day, you know. San Diego people, they never fight out people, you know. The principal for San Diego called me and said me to come down there. Oh, so me I come down there next week, Monday. She called me, tell me so I want to get award for maths and she want me to come down there. Brawling me I come down there next week, Monday. Anyone I want to see me I call room. Eh? If me see me I go say, yo, come here. So you better run, come. Ready? What would they know? I'm going to do one more of them because this is one we don't always get wrong. 2.5%. 2.5%. We're going to do it as a fraction, as a decimal. Implies 2.5. Huh? What? Yeah, go on, man. Divided by 100. How many spots? So we go 1. That means that what? 0.025. ANS equal 0.025. Everybody see that? Huh? It's easy, yes. 2.5% as a fraction equal to 2.5 over 100. Now, when you get this to be a fraction and you have a decimal in it, you are going to carry the decimal to a full number. So I'm going to multiply this by 10. And what is the function? What is one of the chief duties of mathematics? That means I have to also multiply this by 10. Everybody see that? So that gives me 25 over 1,000. Everybody see that? So I'm going to use 5. 5 into 5. 5 and 25, 5 times. 5 into that 200 times. 5 into that 1 time, 5 into that 40 times, equal 1 over 40. Everybody see that? Or do you want me to do one more? You want me to go by? Mama, ask her a jar. Where you do? Yeah. Where you write? What? Where did they write? All right, look on the board. 2.5%. I want it as a fraction. A percent increase a percent suggests 2.5 per 100. You know, someone could have said, watch out. It suggests 2.5 ratio to 100 per 100. You see it? But me not bother go this, so catch me know say me done go to that already. We just tell you say it's that, because that's how the ratio turn out. Everybody see that? What you a do? Mama, eyes on the board. Me pop out your ribbon. Eyes on the board. Everybody see that? Now when you have a decimal to turn into a fraction, you are going to do what you need to do to turn the decimal into a whole number. So you multiply this by 10. Now so you're going to get a whole number. If it was times 0.57, what would you do? Exactly. Everybody see that? Good. So you go to now rupum times 10. If you do it at the top, what you have to do? All right. So that means that I will give you 25 over 1,000. Everybody see that? Now, how did I teach you that you should go and break down your fraction? By using prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2. Can 2 go into 25? Me boss say, hey, 2 can go into 25 without I remember that? The only thing 2 can go into is if it end with a 0 or end with a, we call a number there? Even number. So this not even. You me teach you that, so nobody like that. 3 can go in there? Why? Because 2 plus 5 are 7 and 3 can divide the total of the 2. So that means we're going to 5. Can 5 go into 25? Can it go into 1,000? 5 into 25? 5 into 1,000? 200. Everybody see that? You know, me know so 5 into 1,000 is 200. 1,000 divided by 5 equal to 10 times 100 over 5. 5 into that 1 time, 5 into that 2 times. Equal to 2 times 100. You see that? You see that? You see that? 1,000 or 10 times 100. So 5 into 10, now give you 2. You still have 2 times 100. So that now equal 200. You see that now? Open out your eye. Can it go down further? 5 can go into this. Watch me now. 200 over 5 equal 20 times 10 over 5. Any one of them I want. Do 5 into 5 1 time 2. 20 times 2. Go again. 5 into that 1 time 4. 4 times 10. You see that? And then multiple choice style you don't have to have. If you don't have them style, you don't have to fail. You see that? Put you low. All right. So you equal to 1 over 40. Everybody see that? ANS. You understand? You. Glasses boss, you understand? No? You want me to go back over it? So you just let it silent. Which part you want me to start? Start from the top? Don't afraid to ask me because you cannot ask CXC. Ready? You have 2.5%. Not true. Not true. Eh? How do you write percent as a fraction? The number over 100. Because this is saying 2.5 per 1. Mama, Hey, what go on there, sir? Abina, take care of that. Yellow blouse. What? Yeah, on the board. This 2.5% is saying 2.5 per 100. You understand that? So that means that in a ratio is 2.5 to 100. You understand that? You come ratio class? You watch it on the internet? You don't have to watch it class then. 2.5 per 100 can be written 2.5 over 100. Are you seeing that? So now you have a fraction. Am I correct? No. Is this the finished answer? No. Because you also have a decimal place in it. So you want to get rid of a decimal place. How do you get rid of a decimal place? Multiplying by a index of 10. Are you understanding? So this is by 10 to the 1 power. You see that? You understand that? So it's a times 10. And then say this times 10. You see that? Because one of the rules of mathematics is balance. If you do it on one side, you have to do it on the other side. If you do it in one place, you have to do it in the other place. You understand that? Good. So now you have 2.5 times 10. That is equal to what? 2.5 times 10. Yes, you move it one place. So that is 25. 100 times 10. 1,000. All you have to do is one place. See the 100.0? Move it one place. You see it? So it's now 1,000. You see that? Good. So now we have 25 over 1,000. You break down a fraction. The easiest way to break down a fraction is to do prime factorization. So you're going to say, what are the prime numbers? 2. Can 2 go into 25? No, not without a remainder. Can 3 go into 25? No, not without a remainder. Can 5 go into 25? Yes, so you go and put 5. That's going to give you a remainder 5. 5 into 1,000, 200. Everybody see that? You see that so far? So now we have this fraction, 5 over 200. But can it go down further? Yes, because 5 can go into any number where end with 0. You see that? Good. So 5 into 5, one time. 5 into that goes 40. You see that? How many know say 5 into that goes 40? If you want to go long division back from them long time there, you say 5 into 200. 5 into 20. 4 times. 5 fours. 20. 5 into 0. See that? Everybody see that? Good. All right, move on now. You understand now, sir? You sure? You want me to go back over it or you understand? Biology, you understand? All right. What is 10% of 40? Now the question, remember, mathematics is a language. It can be translated into it's like one of the Spanish and French. Yes. When time when you hear Spanish, you can translate into English. When you hear English, you can translate into Spanish. The question says, what is 10% of 40? Of in mathematics mean multiply. So 10% of 40 is that in mathematics. You see how I change the English to maths? 10% of 40. Everybody see that? Good. So this implies 10 over 100 times 40 over 1. Everybody see that? All right? 10 into 10, 10 into 10. 10 into 10, 10 into 40. So that implies 1 times 4 over 1 times 1. Implies 4. ANS equal 4. Everybody see that? Huh? You never come fractions class. When me have to slow down for fraction. She head too tight. And that. Come again, you ready? Ask me a question, a percentage question. Ask me a percentage question. What?
38 of
You have to say percent somewhere. 38% of 29. So you're saying 38% of 29. Are you seeing that? So you have changed it from what you have said to me in English into mathematics. Is this saying the same thing? Read this read this. Read this to me. Off. 38% off. Good. So that implies 38 over 100 times 29 over 1. What we have here now? A multiplication of a fraction. That's why I said to you, make sure you understand the first 8 classes. Everything in maths is a combination of the first 8 classes. Everybody see that? When you see we go back to decimal, when you see we go back to fraction, if you don't understand fraction, you're going to fail. Because everything will come back to that. Everybody understand that? Good. So are we now at multiplication of a fraction? What do they say? See if anything at the top can divide anything at the base. Now that it say. You watch a video? Go and go watch a video. All right. So 2 into this can go 17 times. 17 or 19? 19 times. And 2 into that go 50 times. Nothing else can go. So now I'm going to say 19 times 29. How much that? All who come late, 1 chicken wing, you know. Make sure look pound. All right, ready? 19 times 29. Over 50. 551 divided by 50. So the answer is 11.02. 11.02 is 38% of 29. You understand? You sure? Come in and see her right. What going on with your book? Yeah, survey right. Ready again? Ready again? %22% of a certain length is 55 centimeters. What is the complete length? Mama, read that for me. See that so? This one. We are going to change English into mathematics. Eyes on the board. No writing now. Eyes on the board. Talk loud, make them hear. 22%. Round the back. Watch her. Watch her. Me want to see what you show her. Eyes on the board. Talk for me. Read it loud. Listen. 22%
Of a certain length.
off.
Is 55.
Off me there.
Of a certain length.
A certain length. What that means? Unknown.
Is 55 centimeters.
Is
55 centimeters.
55. Everybody see that? Because you're saying in mathematics, what is? Equal is. If x equal 5, then x is 5. Are you understanding that? So therefore, when you say 22% of x equal 55, that is the entire sentence she has just read. You understand that? So what? They laugh about. You know, I'm not like no down in the class, I do. Last week, when you never get a party, you never make so much noise. You see on the children. Ready? Come, read again. It depends on the video, man. We have to hurry up. Come, ready? Them like watch the video? No, that take too long. 35 chapter. Ready? Read it again. 22% off.
A certain length.
That means unknown.
Is
55 centimeter. Not business about that till you reach your answer. Everybody understand that? But that means 22 over 100 x equal 55. Want to see that? You see that, child? Yes. That means that x equal to 55 divided by 22 over 100. How do I know that? Because this is the multiplication relationship. Everybody see that? You see that? 22 over 100 x is 22 over 100 times x is a multiplication relationship. It have to come over here as a divisive relationship. Are you understanding what I'm saying? You know why come over here as a divisive relationship? Because 22 over 10 over 100 x, I want to now make, yes, I want to make this 1. I want to make it 1x. How do you make something 1? How do you make something 1? Then I teach you that last week. How you make something 1? How you make something 1? How you make it 1? Divide by itself. You can multiply by itself 2 times 2 are 1. What me say? Divide it by itself. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 5 divided by 5. X divided by x. You're not getting a biscuit. You get 1 piece of chicken skin. Y divided by y. Everything divided by itself is 1. Everybody understand that? So what happens here is that I want to get this to be 1x. So I must divide it by itself, divided by 22 over 100. So because it's equal to 55, what is the principle of mathematics? Balance. So I must also divide this by that. Do you see that? Eh? What?
Divided by 22, divided by 100.
Yes. Watch me. And that we do. But we just put it 1, 2, we know, so we know how we bright. Watch it. 22 over 100 over 22 over 100. It implies 22 over 100 divided by 22 over 100. It implies 22 over 100 times 100 over 22. This cancel this cancel this. 1 times 1 over 1 times 1 equal to 1. You see that? You see that? You don't see that? Hello. Serious note. The videos were put up enough to watch them. I cannot teach the same thing every week or we'll never finish. The videos that put up, watch them. I cannot teach the same thing every single week. 22. Eyes on the board. Eyes on the board. 22 over 100 divided by 22 over 100. This is a number and this is a number. Don't be confused by the simple fact that's a fraction. It is a number. Are you seeing that? So you treat it just like a number, which means that you will then say it implies 22 over 100 divided by 22 over 100. Everybody see that? Yo. You see that? Mumzirella? You see that? Look at me, you see it? Everybody see this? When you have 2 fractions to divide, what do? You change the side and flip. So you go 2 over 100 times 100 over 22. Everybody see that? Then you're going to see if anything can cancel. This 22 can go into 22 one time. This 22 one time. You see that? 100 one time. 1 time. You see that? So now you're left with 1 times 1 over 1 times 1. So you're left with 1 times 1 over 1 times 1. 1 over 1, 1. So what we did to divide by this is simply to get this to be 1x. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? But you don't write 1x. Glasses, you see that? Rasta, you see that? Yeah. So x equal to 55 over 1 times 100 over 22. Everybody see what happened there? Change it to multiply and flip it. You see that? You see that? Where's St. Jude's there? Where your St. Jude's friend there? You? Are you me attack? Yes. So all you there, sister, the one? Sick? Sick can't stop people from come school? And me sick right and how much less? All right, ready? That'll be 11. How me get 11? 2 into 22, 11 times. And that'll be what? 2 into 100, no 50 times. 11, me know say can go in at 55. 5 times. So that'll be 5 times 50. That look like 250. So that means that 22% of 250 equal 55. So your answer, x equal 250. Everybody understand that? Read the question for me again. Same question. Read the question.
22%.
Eyes on the board. 22%
Of a certain length
of a certain length
is 55.
equal 55. What is the length? What was the length when we look? No, x. So anything we write for x, when we solve for x, that's the length. So the answer was in what? Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Good. Now watch me now. Go by a calculator and do 22% of 250. Who want porridge? Come now, we see porridge next week again. We're not dead for hungry. Them come in a group and say them want porridge, you know, but show them feel shame for eat porridge in front of them friends. Oh. Oh, no chest, aye. Come. 22% of 250. Talk to me fast. So therefore, the question says 22% of 250 equal 55. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? All right. Every minute I say no understand, and every minute I chat. Yes. Now move your come right front eye class. Come again, give me one more. Do I? Them lucky. My book. What percentage is 51 of 350? What percentage is 51 of 350? X percent. How many know say X percent? Because that is the unknown function. What percent? So X percent, is it of 55? Huh? All right, watch me now. Come over rough work. Rough work. Read it for me. Question 4.
What percentage?
What percentage? What did I tell you? Unknown percentage. So X percent is 51. What did I tell you? Equal 51. Of 350. What did I tell you? So I can go now and write out my thing. X percent of 350 equal 51. Everybody see that? Why am I go over here and do it like this? It's because a question like this can make us say X percent of 51 equal 350. And you'll be incorrect. Read it again.
What percentage?
What percentage
Is 51.
is 51? So you shouldn't put is 51. Only we go put that first. But is mean equal 51. You see that? So that's why I come over here rough work and you say equal 51. Ready again?
What percentage is 51
Of 350 mean times 350. Everybody see that? So now we can come over here and put them in them rightful place. Everybody see that? Good. So ready now? That means that x over 100 times 350 equal 51. Now, this is a multiply relationship. So it will go over here as a divide relationship. So x over 100 equal 51 divided by 350. Everybody see that?
Yes.
You don't see that? Who don't see that? X over 100. Watch out. I need a book, may I show you? X over 100 times 350 equal 51. You get that? What relationship this have with this? Now a multiplication relationship. So it will come over here as what? Right, so that's a divide relationship now. Everybody see that? Good. X over 100 equal 51 divided by 350. 51 divided by 350. You take long, man? 0.145. Now, what kind of relationship is this 100 to the x? That means that x equals 0.145 times 100. That come as the opposite relationship. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? That means that x equal 1 to 14.6. Everybody see that? So that means 14.6% of 350 equal 51. All right, do that now. 14.6% of 350. How much I get? What time? Talk to me now, man. Kern? 49 point something, something, something. Something wrong then, man. 14.6 times 350. So, my girl. Eh? What? Yes, because the 100 come over here from a divide relationship to a multiply relationship. You see that? Pink blouse outside. What really are going on with you? Oi! What going on with you? You want to come inside? To the front of the front? What? What? 14.6%? You're not mad people? 14.6 times 51. Times 350. How much that? So I'm to the 100. Now 14.6%. I must go over the 100 now. I know you're a mistake. It have to go over the 100. Because the percent is over 100. Huh? Okay, thank you very much. What we don't know? You don't understand that? Can't bother that right now in my life. Moving on. Because we have to do 5 chapters today. Every week we don't come out to one chapter. I think we have 35 weeks. Ready? Percentage profit. Now, you see when you grow up, Most of them say no want to work. But what you really want to do is to earn a living. You want to earn an income. Hey! Blue, what you look for? Blue, what you look for around there, sir? Huh? Yo, what you look for? Nothing? All right, look at me. All right. You want to earn an income. An income of wages, which means for labor, and profit, which means for value. A person who sells value make a profit. So when you say you want to work, you want to be paid for your labor. But if you want an income, you might choose to start a business. Everybody understand that? The business makes a profit and the worker makes a wage. Is the profit we're going to pay you. Everybody understand? Now the profit is simply selling price minus cost price equal profit. How much you buy for, subtracted from how much you sell for. If you buy something for $10 and sell it for $15, did you make a profit? How you know you make $5? Because how much you buy for was 10, how much you sell for was 15, and so it equal to 5. These are things you want to know already. Are you understanding? You understand that? Good. So if you want to know the percentage profit, the percentage is on. So when you say the percentage profit, it is profit on. Is your profit on your selling price or your cost price? Your profit is on your cost price. So therefore, you are going to say profit over cost price times 100. Everybody understand that? The difference if you're giving a discount, is your discount on your selling price or your cost price? So therefore you put selling price when I put discount. You see, only know what for the base? You understand that embroidery? Yes? Watch him. May I move you come my front? Next time you see you, who you look for? Right beside you. Lucky she know why beside her. You understand that? Mama, you stretch out? Pink blouse, eyeglasses, blue rag. Are you who? You stress out, you alright? You understand? Good. Yes. What is? Profit over cost price times 100 is the percentage profit. Because the profit is on the cost price. The profit is on the cost price. The discount is on the selling price. Want to see that? Discount on the selling price. Profit on the cost price. Everybody see that? Want to understand where we got the base? That's the only trick in this. Which one should be the base? Read a question for me, because I cannot see. Give me one of them, something there, Papa. Karen, beg one of them thing there. Read it now.
This?
Yes. Rough work. We're changing. Watch out. How was sweet, mama? You want to come up in front? You will look behind him. Ready? A shopkeeper. Is that important? I want something for you. Shopkeeper.
That is an article.
Is that important? No, none of this is important yet.
For $5.
For $5. So, wait. He buys an article for $5. That means that cost price. Everybody see that? I saw this, right? No, that's 5 o'clock. Right. Ready?
And sells it for $6.
And sells it for $6. So, yeah, I'm going to start it. Ready? Tastes nice, you see? Ready? What the question? No, yeah, start. Shopkeeper buys an article, not important. So cost price is $5. Sells it for $6. Selling price $6.
What is his profit percent?
So my question is profit percent. The first step of profit percent is to find out the profit. Selling price minus cost price equal profit. This implies, no, brighter than bright. Where CP equal to 5 and SP equal to 6, brighter than bright. This implies that 6 minus 5 equal to 1. Profit equal to 1. This implies 1 over profit over CP times 100. This implies 1 over 5 times 100 equal to BAM 120 equal to 20%. You see that? You see that? You want one more?
Percentage of profit.
You want this answer 1 is his profit, is absolute profit. This answer 20% is this percentage profit. Are you understanding? No. When in our business, you don't only care about this because this is important. I can make $1 million profit and it is only 1%. Me I go kill up myself for 1%? No. So when you are going to business, watch ya? When you are running a business, you have to look upon your opportunity cost. When me I give up. So if the bank give me 10%, me not gonna take 1% and me could have put in my bank and go lay down. Are you understanding? Everybody understand? Good. Give me the next one. Read it for me. Read it fast.
A dealer buys 20 articles.
Shh, nobody not here. Who not here?
A dealer buys 20 articles.
Shh. Listen. A dealer buy.
20 articles.
So him buy 20 articles.
At a total cost
Total cost
of
$5.
He sells them for 30 cents.
He sell them.
What is his profit?
All right. No one you go and like it to move out look away. Watch me now. Eyes on the board. The general buy 20 articles. But it gave you that him sell each. You have to carry it down to everything being the same. So we have two different what we call it now? No, two different designations. We have a total and we have a each. We have $1 and we have a. So I change out everything now into cent and into each. Everybody understand? Watch me now. This implies that cost price equal to total cost divided by articles. That don't make sense. That don't make sense. In buy 20 something for $5. That means that each one is going to cost. Guess how we know? Because the ratio 20 to $5. Everybody see that? What more want to do? I want to carry this down to 1. Divided by 20. Divided by 20. So that equal to 1 to 5 over 20. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? At the same thing, then we have to over and over again. You see that? Good. Now, how many knows that 20 to 5? 20 articles per $5. If him buy 40 articles, you think him pay the same $5? He might go pay $10. Not true. How many know? Because this is 20 times 2. So him to get 5 times. Want to see that? I come back to your ratio. What here joke? Ready now? So cost price equal total cost over articles. So cost price equal 500 cents over 20. Everybody see what I did there? I just change the $5 into cent. Because we don't tell them say we want everything be cent. You see that?
Sir, what's that? TC.
Yes, total cost. So cost price equal that 25. So that equal to 25 cents. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? You see that? Brown one, you see that? Look at the one in the corner, you see that? You? No, the one behind you. You know brown? Yeah. Ready now? Since selling price minus cost price equal profit, where? What is selling price?
30 cents.
Thank you very much. SP equal 30 cents. And CP equal what? We just find CP. You see that? You see that? The cent not even important until you're ready for your answer. Everybody see 30 and 25. Everybody see that? You don't see that? Why not see? What you want here? You can't see the board? Wow. You see all who can't see? No KFC for them. All right, watch me now. Where are disturb your data for? Everybody see that? CP equal 25 cents. Do you see that? Now, did we know that profit is selling price? Watch out. Oh, now you say you can't see. Since selling price minus cost price equal profit, that is simply, watch out. That is writing but this. Where SP equal to what? I go back to over my rough work. See it here? It don't have to write cent. And CP equal to what? I just find it. You see that? Puchilo? Everybody see that? So it implies that I'm going to put 30 when I say SP and I put 25 when I say CP. So it implies 30 minus 25 equal 5. You see that? But what did it ask me? Did it ask me to find the profit? If it was the profit, it would be 5 cents. If it was the total profit, it would be 5 cents times 20. Because it's 5 cents each. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? All right, ready now. Question. My percentage profit. My profit percent is 5 profit percent equal to profit over cost price times 100 equal to 5 cents over 25 cents times 100 equal to 5 into 5 one time, and this 5 times, and then this 5 one time, and this 20. So that equal to 20. Which part of us? Thank you. May I write it back though? Profit over cost price. What is my profit? What's my cost price? Times 100 over 1. 25 one time, 4 times. 5 times 4 over 1 times 1 equal 20 over 1. Thank you very much. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Next question.
A man buys a car for $6,000.
Ready? Shh. Suppose that they ask you for his total profit. Suppose that they ask you for his total profit. One item makes 5 cents profit. So it is 1 to 5 cents. You see that? So that means that 20 item is 1 times 20 to. You see that? You see that?
Yes.
So 20 item. So you make 100 cents. 100 cents is equal to what? So you make $1 profit. Everybody see that? You don't understand that? Huh? You don't understand that? Ready? Read again.
A man buys a car
Shh. Listen to the question. A man buys a car.
for $6,000.
First of all, is that important? No matter if you buy a car, a bus, a truck, a plane, a party, it don't matter. But him buy it for what? That means that what is that? What's that? My cost price.
And sells it for $4,000.
He sells it for 4,000.
Calculate his percentage loss.
So I'm going to calculate my percentage loss. Profit. Since profit equal. Since selling price minus cost price equal profit. This implies, where? What is selling price?
$6 selling price.
I see this. It doesn't see right now. Him buy it for 6,000. Eh? Hear me about me can't write. I blame writing. You know? Everybody see that? Watch me now. This implies 4,000 minus 6,000. Everybody see that? Equal negative 2,000. Everybody see that? So now once you get a negative, he did not make a profit. He's making a loss. Everybody see that? Good. Now them say, what them ask you? What them ask you?
Calculate his percentage loss.
It's percentage loss. So that means profit or loss percentage equal profit or loss over cost price. This implies, what's the loss? 2,000 over cost price, 6,000 times 100. This implies, cancel out them 3, cancel out them 3. 2 over 6 times 100. This implies 2 into 1 time, 3 times. 1 over 3 times 100. This implies 33.33%. See that? Which part you see? Eh? Put the video on her so Jamaica sister she not going nothing. Come ready. 2,000 is the same thing. This time there's a loss. 2,000 and 6,000. So 1,000 cancel 1,000. Left 2 over 6. You see that? 2 over 6. 22 1 time. 26 3 time. 1 over 3.
What?
2 into 2 1 time. And 2 into 6 3 times. So it's 1 over 3. Times 100. 1 over 3 times 100 is 33%. Are you seeing that? Okay. Last one. Last one. Which discount? You know one more of them there, I can go discount. No bright, okay? Read on here. Ready?
A record player is offered for sale at 1,800. A customer is offered at 10%.
Come read this. Come read this. Yo. Come read this, because I distract you. Yes. Come read the book. Run, come. Well, don't chat. Ready.
A record player is offered for sale at 1,800.
A record player, is that important? It don't matter what it is. It's offered for sale for how much? So it's offered for sale. What offered for sale mean? Selling price. How much is it?
A customer is offered at 10%.
You get a 10% discount. Watch me now. Your selling price, hey, the man where sell something, in this case, is selling price equal to 100%. Everybody see that? He offers a discount of 10%. 10%. So there's a selling price 1. Discount. That means a selling price 2 equal to selling price 1 minus discount. Everybody see that so far? You can listen better. Ready now? It implies therefore that selling price 2, which is 100, no, selling price 2 x is equal to 100 minus 10. Everybody see that? Want to see that? Because selling price 1 is 100 and discount is 10%. Want to see that? So selling price 2, which is x, is equal to 90%. Everybody see that? Everybody see that?
What is that?
What we are talking about, a discount. You know, well, and sister discount this. Discount. Everybody see that? Discount. D for discount. Everybody see that? So what happened therefore? Selling price 2 is 90%. What did the question ask?
How much does the customer pay?
Which is what? The customer now pay selling price 2. Selling price 1 minus discount. And that the customer pay. So selling price 2 therefore is equal to 90% of 1,800. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? 90 over 100 times 1,800 over 1. 90 times 18. Hey. Yes, 1 and 2. Yes. I advertise it for 1 price, selling price 1. I discount it and give you another price, selling price 2. You understand? Yes, next question.
How much?
Check one lunchroom now, please.
How much will a girl pay for goods priced at $12.50 if a discount of 8 cents in $1 is offered for cash?
How much? Give me again.
How much will a girl pay for goods?
Is that important?
No.
Girl, boy, dog, it don't matter.
Priced at $12.50.
Priced at $12.50. What is that? It's priced at $12.50. What is that? Selling price 1. Ready again?
A discount of 8 cents in the $1 is offered for cash.
If a discount of 8 cents in $1. So the discount is 8 cents to every $1, which implies 8 cents to every 100 cents. Want to see that? Want to see that? Want to see that?
Yes.
You know see that? Read it again.
How much will a girl pay for goods priced at $12.50
How much would a girl pay for goods price at $12.50? Selling price 1.
if a discount of 8 cents in the $1 is offered?
So offer every dollar she will get a discount of 8 cents. You see that? That means 8 cents per dollar. How do you write 8 cents per dollar? 8 to $1 cent. Can I leave it like that? Because it's different designation. So I have to change it to single designation. That means it's 8 cents to 100 cents. You see that? You see that? You see that? How do I write 8 to 100? 8 over 100. So write 8 to 100. Now, ban you because you're not 7th grade. 8 over 100. Now, so write 8 to 100. What does 8 over 100 look like? But also, it's a percent. You know see it? Can it go over 100? So you see where it was masking the question? Jacob, are you understand? No, real Jacob. You understand? Good. Ready now? Give me the question again.
How much will a girl pay for goods priced at $12.50 if a discount of 8 cents in the $1 is offered?
So that means I'm a discount at 8%. You see that? Everybody see that? Good. Since SP1 minus discount equal SP2, where SP1 equal 100% and this equal 8%, it implies that SP2, that 100 minus 8 equal 92%. So 92% is what you're going to pay for SP2. Therefore, SP2 equal to $12.50 times 92 over 100 equal, work that out. Work that out. Yeah, see? What is going on with the lunch?
We're trying to sort it out. 11.5.
So she's gonna pay $11.50. ANS equal $11.50. You see that?
Yes.
What is the discount? The discount is therefore equal to watch me now. I'm gonna work out what is discount for showing how I get what my where's something you want to use to find out things again? My formula. My formula. May I tell you what my formula is? Look on the board. SP1 minus discount equal SP2. That means that SP1 equal to SP2 how you go again? Like me I tell you now. Yes, SP1 equal to SP2 plus discount. That means that discount equal to SP1 minus SP2. So my discount is equal to selling price 1 minus selling price 2. Want to see how I get that? Huh? $12.50 minus $11.50, $1, yes. But I'm teaching you how to do it. You understand that? Everybody see how I get what discount is as a formula? It is on the tell them it there for me. Van the video. Ready again, all right, now write it back, don't worry. Just put on closed caption, it will tell you what I say. SP1 minus SP2 equal to SP1 minus discount equal to SP2. You remember that, right? Now, I want to find discount. So I'm going to carry discount from being a negative over here so to be a positive. So that means that SP1 equal to SP2 plus discount. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? I'm going to turn it around. SP2 plus discount equal to SP1. Cumulative law. The way in which you add numbers don't affect the result. So discount plus SP2 equal SP1. Now I'm going to get rid of the SP2. Discount equal to SP1 minus SP2. Everybody see that? You see that? No? You ready? You see that? So what is SP1 in this case? $12.50. And what is SP2? $11.50. You don't have to do this. I'm just teaching you how you get it. All you have to do is do this. So if you don't remember what discount is, and you only remember what selling price 2 is, you can work out discount. Everybody see that? All right, last one, and then we're going to take a KFC break. What going on with them? What Sharon say? No, I'm not Sharon for just. I have a set of people don't listen to me. Ready? Just tell her to come now. Try to just come, please. Try to just come. Where is she? She's in Linstead or she's... Just come now. Ready? Read. Shh. Come on, you have to learn to turn it in our maths. So this is a very important part. Hey, where you go, Mama? Ready? Dealer.
A dealer buys a table for $50.
Is that important? Is the dealer important? Is the fact him buy a table important? No. But him buy it for how much? So that is his what? If the dealer buy it for $50, what is that?
It is marked for sale at $80.
It is marked for sale.
At $80.
It's marked for sale.
But the dealer offers a discount of $10. 10%.
So the dealer offer a discount.
For cash, what percentage profit does the dealer make on the cash sale?
All right. So they want to know percentage profit. Now the first thing you have to find out is how much did he sell it for. So you need selling price too. Because his profit is not the listed price. Can you make the profit off of what you tell them yourself for? Or you make the profit off of what you actually sell them for? So you have to go to what is by actual selling price, which is selling price what? And that is equal to X. So since selling price 1 minus discount equals selling price 2, where SP1 equal 80 and this equal 10%. Sorry, SP1 don't equal 80, it equal 100. Why don't equal 80? Because we have percent for discount. So we have to keep SP1 as a percent as well, which is 100%. Everybody see that? Everybody understand that? If I put $80 the price, I have to have a discounted price. If I have discounted percent, I have to use SP 1%. Original is always 100%. Understand that? Good. SP1 equal to 100% and discount equal to 10%. $100 minus 10 equal 90. Therefore, SP2 equal 90% of 80. Why me never put 50? Why me never put 50? 50 is my cost price. This implies that SP2 equal to, work that out, 9/8, 72. So SP equals 72. Is that the end of the question? No. Why? Why? Because he asked for profit. So now, how profit go? SP minus CP equal profit. Which SP am I using? SP2. This implies that 72 minus 50 equal what? 22. Profit percentage equal to profit over CP times 100 equal to profit 22 over CP 50 times 100 44. All right, see principal there and see TV there. And I get 10-15 minutes. Do not shame me. All right, go. 15 minutes. I put the light on pause to me. I saw me look sexy.
After this, we get straight up to the tea.
Wag man, I do a call.
Alright.
Forever. Yes. Change since then no come out. Auntie, come up some more. All right, ready. Stay with me, 'cause you're all. What? Oh. That was sooner, sir. Let's go. Ready? Are you understanding so far? If percentage come, you don't have to be able to get it right. Now, I am begging you now. Over. Hello. Hello. All who outside come late. One wing tip. You know the part where hard to eat, the part where broke off. That's have to come late. And one biscuit crumbs. Ready, listen now. May I ask you now, please? I've been teaching this thing for 26 years. You need to understand fractions. Go and watch the video over this holiday. Some of it, you can't see the writing, put it on CC, closed caption. If you look to the right of the screen, you'll see closed caption and click it. Everything that I say will then be written on the screen itself. When you need to understand decimal, go and watch it. Everything is going to come back down to that. Ever heard about the cosine rule and the sine rule? What's the sine rule? What is that? That's fractions. It's the sine rule, but it is fraction. If you don't know fractions, you're going to trouble. Are you understanding? Come again. No. That's Pythagoras theorem. What is this? What's that? But this is what? This is bod mass. So while they are of difficult or more difficult thing, it all come back down to the basics that I'm teaching you right now. If you don't understand those basics when you reach yourself, you're not going to be in a problem. Everybody understand that? So go back to the last 4 videos. I will post them in the group. Watch them over. Because if me have to stay and do over, we're not going done. We should be at 11. We are at 7. No, we should be at chapter 11. We are at chapter 7. Ready? Want to eat now? Oh, the look one that chicken looks so big. Ready? Ready? Hey, mine chicken done, Mr. I'm saying 2, 2, 2, 2 now. Mine chicken done. Ready? Yeah, man. 1, 1 so far. All right, ready now. Ready now. Sit. Read.
An article.
Shh.
An article was sold for $30.
Shh. An article was sold for $30. Is that important? What is that? It was sold for $30. What is that? Can't be cost price. Cost price where you buy.
Which was a loss on the cost price.
Which was a loss of 10%. So I'm going to write profit equal minus 10. Want to see what I did there?
What was the cost price if 100% represents the cost price, then 90% represents the selling price?
So what is it?
What if 100% represents the cost price? Then 90% represents the selling price.
Read it again.
If 100% represents the cost price, then 90% represents the selling price.
Read it again for me. Yeah.
An article was sold for $30, which was a loss on the cost price of 10%.
Yes.
What was the cost price if 100% represents the cost price, 90% represents the selling price?
All right. Oh, okay. All right. So ready now. So selling price equal 30. Profit loss equal 10. Price equal 100. Selling price equal 90. All right. So that means that 90% of cost price equals to 30. Everybody see that? Everybody see how me get that? How did I get that? Oi. Sell it, hey. When you look at you, we know. Look. And stop talk. You say your mouth shine, you get KFC already? So your mouth to shine. Okay. Ready? Cost price minus selling price equal profit. Everybody see that? Cost price. Cost price being 100 minus X equal minus 10. So you go. Yes, it didn't make a profit. Oh, this is going on. Something wrong. Cost price minus selling price equal profit. Cost price is 100%. Sell it for 30 now. You lose 10%. So how come I now get this? So this come over here starts up. Cost price minus selling price equal profit. Minus 10. 100. X. Sure. You know say how foolish is me I do? Cost price minus selling price equal profit? Or is it selling price minus cost price equal profit? They are to be a madness and nobody now look. See a caves. You know? Eh? You see her. So that means that X minus 100% equal minus 10. When you say, hey, come now, focus, focus, focus. Look here now, look what me do, look what me do. Hello. Look what me do now. X minus 100 equal negative 10. You know why we get this negative 10? Because they made a loss. So they didn't make a profit, they made a loss. You see it? You understand that? So I'm going to go minus 10. In order to carry this 10 over here so as a positive, I just carry it over here so and make this be 0. Minus 10 plus 10 gives 0. So I have to carry add 10 over here. So you see that? Everybody see that? Huh? Yes. Then now, negative 100 plus 10. Hello, don't give them no more, you know. Negative 100 plus 10. Hello. Come. We have a number line. 0, negative, positive. Now, negative 1, yes, I know. You can see everything on me right now? Yes, because you want KFC. Say the negative 100. Now, what is the direction of plus and multiply? So if you're moving 10, negative 100 plus 10, you'd have to move 10 spots this way. Are you understanding? So negative, hello, 0. So hello, watch me now. So that means that when you have negative 100 plus 10, it is equal to 100 minus 10 and keep the sign of the bigger number. Everybody understand that? You understand that? Oh, you understand that? You, gray shirt, you understand that? You, Lord God. No more KFC. You know, so we don't make so much noise in a party. Ready? Yeah. No. She don't get. She get her mouth look highly, no. Ready? Look again. Look again. Negative 3 plus 4 is equal to bracket 4 minus 3, carry the sign. Everybody see that? Lord, I don't need to learn this. Choose happy. Where you discuss? You discuss if what type you get? If a original or a barbecue? So where you discuss? Negative 100 plus 10 is therefore equal to what? 100 minus 10 carry the sign of the bigger number. Everybody see that? All right. 4 plus minus 3. 4 minus 3 carry the sign of the bigger number. Once you're adding or subtracting different signs, once you're adding different signs, give me one. Give me one. Give me one, no? Give me one. Negative and positive. Negative 1 plus 8. 8 minus 1, carry the sign. Want to see that? You understand that? You understand? Give me one more. Give me one more. Seven plus minus 4. Now, look here. You know it's a commutative law. Mean the way in which you add numbers don't affect the result. So this is the same thing as minus 4 plus 7. Are you seeing that? Good. However, the rule stands. Sign of the 7. All right, do it by a calculator and tell me. Is it true? I'm a one night. You understand? Yeah, you understand? So there, hello. Ready? So that means that your selling price is 90% of your cost price. Everybody see that? No. Your selling price, call him for me and tell him to show this name for him. So 90% of my selling price of my cost price equal my selling price. Everybody see that? So that means that 90 over 100 times x equal 30 over 1. You see that? That means that x equal 30 over 1 divided by 90 over 100. That means that x equal 30 over 1 times 100 over 90. That means that x equal how much that? Let me show this now first. Answer me, no man. This cancel this. This cancel this. Three over 9. Huh? What? I do something wrong, I don't know. How much?
33.33.
X minus 100 plus 10. Yeah, big on your belly. Everybody see that? I been a quiet down long back for me. Them say not go on bad for you look at KFC. Now make the internet see what I go on. Alright, ready now. Listen. Lelo, the amount of KFC where you buy when you pass maths. Listen to me now. Listen. Ready? Hey, no listen, no man. Listen. Shh. The next move I saw. Alright, ready now? Ready? I'm going to go back to this question because it is often a trick question. If you don't understand Oi! Wholesale. No give her nothing more. Make sure wipe her hand on her jeans. Oi! Green shirt, look at me. Ready now? Sometimes you are going to get a question that try to throw you off. You have to understand algebra. All right, if uno three no stop me, I have a splitting up. Watch ya. Ready? I'm going to read the question, and then I'm going to show you the pitfalls of the question. Ready? Read the question.
An article was sold for $30.
Mama, come. Come now, yes sir. Yes. Me want you, yes sir. Come. Come quick, man, because you don't stop talk. Come quick. Read it.
An article was sold for $30.
An article was sold. What is that there for? All right.
Which was a loss on the cost price of 10%.
It was a loss. That means it made what kind of profit? Negative profit. Ready again.
What was the cost price if 100% represents the cost price and 90% represents the selling price?
Watch me now. Selling price minus cost price equal profit. Am I correct? Huh? What is my base? Cost price, selling price, or profit. What's my base? Why is it my base? Because the profit is on the cost price. The discount. Hello. May I either move you or send you outside? Why is cost price my base? Because the profit is on my cost price. when I'm doing discount, why is selling price my base? Because the discount is on my selling price. Now your base is 100%. Everybody understand that? Why is your base the 100%? Go back to fraction. Because the denominator is the total. You don't remember these are things we're teaching already. Isn't the denominator the total? Yes. Isn't the total 100%? So therefore, if your denominator is the total, then your denominator must be 100%. And what is your denominator? Not your base. So therefore, I come here, therefore, to tell you that selling price is equal to 100%, sorry, minus 100%. No. The local group are not working with me. None at all. Please. And it got minus 10. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Good. Because this is a minus 10. I want to get it over here, so I'm going to go to say, any one of them, selling price equal to minus 10 plus 100. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? How did you get that? This have a minus relationship. It come over here, so it becomes a plus relationship. Everybody see that? So now I teach you that when you add two different signs, because this is positive 100, you simply say 100 minus 10 and you bring the sign of the bigger number. What is the sign of the bigger number? Huh? So that means the selling price equal to 90. Everybody see that? Percent. Everybody see that? I then come back to say that selling price is 90% of what? Of my cost price. Not true. Not true. Because my cost price is my base. Everything is off cost price. So 90% of cost price equal to what was my selling price? Selling price. So 90 over 100 times X equal to 30. Everybody see how me reach that, sir? Everybody see that? I then go further to say that X equal 30 divided by 90 over 100. X equal to 30 over 1 times 100 over 90. Everybody see that? Cancel. Cancel. So that equal to 300 over 9. How much that equal to? Now, because it's money, you only write 2 decimal places. So 33.333, that 3 makes that stay the same. Everybody see that? Because money only have 2 decimal places. Why is money have 2 decimal places? Because the hundreds. You understand? So the answer is 33.33. So he bought it for $33 and he sold it for $30, and that's why he made a loss of 10%. Are you understanding? Everybody understand? Next chapter. Averages. What? See how my glasses mash up? One of my eye not to work. An average is equal to the sum of quantities over the number of quantities. What's an average equal? Black blouse. Round her back, black blouse. Assistant, talk to she there. Make sure tell me why average equal. Aye. You, black blouse on my back. What is average? You and I look, you. Hey. Assistant. Touch the one there in my black blouse. Yes, she. The one who touch you, touch she. The one in my black blouse, see her there? And a black, let me take out my glasses. Black blouse, you. No black you have on. What average equal? Pay attention. The average sum of quantities over the number of quantities. What is this? What is this? Once again is a fraction. We don't see it. Everything come back to it. What is the sum of quantities? Let's say it's x. What is the number of quantities? Let's say it's y. X over y. What is that? And a fraction. You see, this is why you have to understand it. It all come back to that. Ready now? A boy makes the following scores in cricket. What's the average? Average equals sum of Q over number of Q, where sum of Q equals. At this point, you add all the quantities we get. In this case, the quantity are scores. What? For average? Yes. No, the mean. Yes. Yes. I know. I'm not sure if I mean, you know. I mean, you're correct. I mean are the average. But the mean is the mode is the median in a natural distribution. And that, yes. All right, ready now? The scores that 10 minutes.
8, 20, 3, 0, 5, 9, 16, 12.
I do add up them here.
20. 8 plus 20 plus 3
8. Come, calculator. 8 and 20. That are 28. And 3, 31. 31 and 0, 31. 31 and 5, 36. 36 and 5, 40 and 4, 44. 44 and 10, 54 and 5, 59. 59 and 1, 60 and 11, that is 71.
9. That's a 9?
Yeah, 9.
7 plus 4.
The 4 not there.
Let's split it up. Let's say 5 and 4 and 5.
Oh.
71. Is that 71?
72. 8 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4.
Where? Sum of quantities over number of quantities. Sum of Q over number of Q. Now ready? $20 and 8, 28 and 3, 31. 31 and 5, 36. 36 and 4, 40 and 5, 45. 45 and 5, 50 and 10, 60. 60 and that's 72. Everybody see that? And the number of Q equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, do you notice that I count the 0? Because the 0, he made 0, it counts. You understand? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this implies 72 over 8. Huh? Everybody understand that? Answer equal 9.
Answer equal 9.
Number of quantities. Read it again. Read.
Down here?
No.
This one? I same thing. This one? Find the average age of a team of boys.
Me not lie, you not shame me. Come on. Find the average age of a team of boys.
Given that 4 of them are each 15 years, 4 months old, and the other 3 boys are each 14 years and 9 months old.
So now you have to find a weighted average. So now she says, find the age. Give me the age. Give me the info.
4 of them are 15 years and 4 months.
Oi.
4 of them.
Average equal sum of Q over number of Q. Everybody see that? Yo, this is very important. Let's look. Jesus Christ. Ready now?
4 of them are each 15 years and 4 months old.
4 of them.
Are 15 years and 4 months.
You got 4 bracket 15 and 4 months. 15 and 4 over 12. Why did I put 4 over 12? Because the year of 12 months. So if there are 4 months, there are 4 months out of 12. What is 4 out of 12 in a fraction? 4 the numerator over 12. Are you understanding? Yo. God no, unu. Which school? Just do something, no man. Nobody mash it up for your recipe, please. Ready?
And the other 3 boys
are
14 years and 9 months.
Mommy, God know me I run you out, I don't want to do that. I want to teach and you learn. Or you go home and go talk. One night two. I don't want to run you out, I'm going to talk to you 50 times. Allow the rest to learn. Ready?
And the other 3 boys
And the other 3 boys
are 14 years.
are 14 years.
And 9 months.
9 over 12. Why didn't I put 0.9? Because 0.9 is over 10. So it must be 9 over 12 because it is 9 out of 12 months. You understand fraction?
Yes, sir.
Everybody understand why it is so?
Yes.
All right, good. Therefore, what I have in front of me at this point. Oi! What I have in front of me, therefore, is the same thing that you're going to get in what is called a cumulative frequency. It's the same way when you get a cumulative frequency, you go to weight times the amount. So if 4 people was this age and 3 people was this age, it come back to what you're not going to learn later in the statistics. That's why I tell you that the first 8 lessons is the important and most important lesson. Because everything following this is based on the first 8 lessons. You understand what I'm saying? Good. So in essence, I could have drafted a cumulative frequency table to say person 1, 2, 3, 4 was 15, and this is 1/3, 15 and 1/3, 15 and 1/3, and then person 5, 6, 7 was 14 and 9/12, 14 and 9/12, 14 and 9/12. As a God, the next time you run you turn around and attack to her. Just focus, the man. You give up? Yeah. No, you're not focusing. No, make sure you ask him. So, I could have had this. The f of x of this frequency is 4. And so what you have done is to put a frequency times the number of times that it occurred. If I wanted to, I could have then add up all of this. 15 and 1/3, 15 and 1/3, 15 and 1/3. 15 and 1/3 is 15.33. 3. Add 15 and 1/3 4 times. Add it 3 times. You don't get that? 15.333 times 4 times. Add it 4 times. Huh? 61 point what? All right. Add 14 and this hour 9 3/4, 14.75. Add 14.75 3 times to that. How much? Add the 2 of them now. All right. That is not by adding up all of this. Don't show. All right now. What is this? What is this? This is bud mass. So if you know bud mass, you can work this. So you have to say bracket first. So multiply this by this. You get 61.32. You see that? Multiply this by this. You get 44.25. So you add the 2 of them, you get 105.57. But that is divided by how many students? 4 plus 3. Go over my cumulative frequency table. Go over my frequency table. How much is it? Yes. Divide that by that. No, they gave us in months. So you have to go. So them gain a months. So you have to go 0.08 times 12. Huh? 0.08 times 12. So that's a 1 month.
0.96.
Yes. 1 month, because you got 0.333 and you round it off. 15 years and 1 month. You know what I'm going to do it over? Yes. All right. Come again. Ready? Are we ready? All right. It tells us that you have some boys. 4 of them are and the other set
14 years and 9 months.
3 4 months. All right. Now, when you think that this is easy maths, average is easy. But you don't think statistics is hard. Man, no. All right, ready? Ready? If you get a statistics table, it can look something like this. Age, frequency. Not true? You never see that before? I can give you the first age, which is 15.33, and it's 4 times. All right. And we can get the other age, which is 14.75, and the frequency is 3. Everybody understand that? All I wanna. Ready, ready. Ready, ready. So in this case, yo, General. Yo. Yo. All of this, we're not going to see again. This is what table. The principle of a frequency table comes from what is called a weighted average. The frequency is the weight. So you're going to add a weight for the number of time a number occurs. Are you understanding what I'm saying? In another circumstance, I could have had a different curve, a different table that says student and then says age. Just look now, man. It'll come back, you know. Hey, yo, you give up? Yeah, you surrender? Then let me teach you now, man. It could have had age. In this case, you'd have to write this as the age, as the person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4, 5. Want to see it? In this case, the age would be 15.33, 15.33, 15.33, 15.33, 4 times. And then the other age would be 14.75, 14.75, 14.75, 3 times. Huh? What? Student. Or person or whatever. Yes. To get the 0.33, I put the number of months taken over the number of months that exist. That is going to give 1/3. So we know say 0.333. To get the 0.75, I put the number of months over the number of months that exist. That is going to give me 3/4. So we know say that is 0.75. Everybody understand? So in the 2 cases, the sum of quantities are going to be the same. In this case, you will add all of them. In this case, you do a weighted average frequency times age. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So therefore, the frequency of 4 times age is going to be 4 bracket 15.33 plus the frequency of age 3 bracket 14.75. These are going to give you some results on the above the mass. On the above mass, you work bracket first. So 4 times that give me, I think, a 62 point something. 61.32. 60 what? And then this is going to give me something. So when you add them together, you get something. So this is the sum of numbers, sum of quantities. Are you understanding? You now have to divide 0.57. You now have to divide the sum of quantities by the number of quantities. In this table, all you do is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because each frequency is 1. In this, you simply add up the frequency, 4 and 3. That's why it's called cumulative frequency, because you summate the frequencies. Are you understanding? So 4 and 3 gives 7. So that means it's going to be equal to 105.57 over 7. Equal 15.08. But you can't leave it as 15.08 because they gave you in months. So now this 0.08 is 0.08 months of a year. So 0.08 of a year is 0.08 times 12. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Another very simple way you could have done this is to change this to months. 15 times 12 plus 4. 14 times 12 plus 9. You could have changed it all into months and then divide it back when you're done. Everybody understand that? Everybody understand that? Last one. What time?
What time? 1:40.
Last one. Counting on corporate.
As in, how much? You never finish right? As in 50 years.
0.8 times 12. I don't know that. That's about 1. Last one. All right, ready? Ready, read it for me.
A car travels a total distance of 200 kilometers.
A car travels a total distance of 200. Oh, not shame me. 200 kilometers.
In 4 hours.
It travels that in 4 hours.
What is its average speed?
All right. So a car travels how much kilometers? 200 kilometers in what?
4 hours.
So you can write that as a ratio. Because per 4 hours, it travels 200 kilometers. You see that? So every 4 hours, it travel 200 kilometers. So it's 200 kilometers per 4 hours. You see that? So if I want to know how much it travels in 1 hour, it's the same thing as the average. Because now I'm going to divide this by 4 and divide this by 4. So it will travel 50 in 1 hour. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Now what we really done, so you understand maths now? Because of maths you don't understand, I couldn't see that. The car travel 200 in a 4 hour. That means that for every 4 hour, it travel 200. It could have been written 4 to 200, meaning 4 hours, 200 kilometers, or 200 per 4 hours. It can be rewritten as a fraction, yes. But you don't need to rewrite it as a fraction. Because what you're trying to do is to get it to 1. So you want to change this to 1. How do you change it to 1? You divide it by itself. So this said this divided by 4, and then said this divided by 4. Because what is the function of mathematics? What are the principles? Balance. So that means that 1 is equal to 50. You see it? You see it simple? Give me another one.
A car travels 30 kilometers at 30 kilometers per hour and 30 kilometers at 40 kilometers per hour. Then its average speed.
All right, read it loud now.
A car travels 30 kilometers at 30 kilometers per hour.
A car travel, rough work. The car travels, ready?
30 kilometers
Mm-hmm.
at 30 kilometers per hour.
Him travel 30 kilometers
At 30 kilometers per hour.
at 30 kilometers per hour. Mm-hmm.
And 30 kilometers
Uh-huh.
at 40 kilometers per hour.
At 40 kilometers per hour.
Find its average.
So find its average speed. Now right that's what I see again, say matter about cumulative frequency. Because it travels a certain quantity, a certain frequency of space within a certain period of time. So we have 2 ratios. The first one is 30 to 1. How many know says 30 to 1? 30 kilometers per hour. What per mean? Per mean ratio. Per hour mean 1. Hour is the thing when we get me 1. Are you understanding? Him could have said per half hour, him could have said per 2 hour. Ready? The other ratio is 40 to 1. Are you seeing that?
Yes, sir.
Good. How much hour him travel for? Just the 2 hour, not telling nothing else? So that means him travel for 2 hours. Because him tell us him travel this for 1 hour and this for 1 hour. So it's not telling nothing else. That means that we are work this out now. All right. $30 bracket 1 plus 40 bracket 1 over 2. That look like 70 over 2. That is 70. 2 into 70. 35 km. A car travel, find the average speed. 30 over 1 hour. And then him go 40 over 1 hour. Something wrong here, so. Him go 30 in 1 hour. And then him go 40 in 1 hour. May I get 35? Him got 13 1 hour, put my table. He travels 13 1 hour. A car travels 30 kilometers at 30 kilometers per hour. And 30 kilometers at 40 kilometers. Okay, misunderstand, sorry. Them now ask about the hour. I'm going to tell you the kilometer. He travels 30 kilometers at 30 per hour. Then he travels 30 kilometers at 40 per hour. All right. So that means that in 1 hour, he travels 30 kilometers at 40. That means he might go 40 kilometers per hour. So if he might go 40 kilometers per hour, he's supposed to go this divided by 40. All right, so 40 to 60. That means may I figure it out. 60 over 40 equal 1. Six over 40 at 1.5. So man travel 1 kilometer in a 1.5. And then the other one, he might travel 1 kilometer in a 2. In a 2, 60 over 32. I so explain it. So I travel 1 kilometer in a 1.5 and 1 kilometer in a 2. This times 30. This times 30. 1.5 times 30 hour. That's a 45. And 2 times 30 are 60. So 105. Something wrong with this, you know. The 105 they know. What am I finding? The average speed. So I'm go 1 hour and then so I'm gonna go 60 seconds. 40 kilometers in 60 seconds. That give me 1.5 kilometer per second. So you go. No, 1.5 second per kilometer. And then this I got 1 second per kilometer. So him got 1 second per kilometer. So every kilometer I got 1 second. This one I got 1.5 second. So that means if I go 1.5 and 1 2.5 second. 2.5 divided by 2. No. Oh, my average speed, yes, 2. 2.5 divided by 2. 2.5 divided by 2. 1.25. So if you go 1.25 kilometers per second, and then go 60. 1.25 times 30. Matter of foolishness. Help me reason it out. The car travel 30 kilometers at 30 kilometers per hour. He then travels 40 kilometers. No, he travels 30 more kilometers at 40 kilometers per hour. So that means he travels the first 30 frequency at 30 over 1. He travels the second 30 at 1. This therefore, this times 40 don't give me that. Per hour. Per km per h. So that means a km h. So that gives me 31. And that gives me 41. That's kilometers per hour. They want to know my average speed. My average speed must be divided by 2 hours because this is my average time. No, this is not. No, he never traveled for that. No. He travels 30 kilometers. So forget this down to 30. You have to say 40 times x equal 30. X equal to 30 over 40. X equal to 0.75. Good. So he travels 60 divided by 1.75. All right, ready now? All right, me understand. Ready now? The one that nearly catch me, watch me now. Read it loud for me. Read the question for me.
A car travels 30 kilometers. Find its average speed.
No, them mark I not give me nothing. All right. Can't see none of them. So the car, he travels, give me that again.
A car travels 30 kilometers at 30 kilometers.
He travels 30 kilometers
At 30 kilometers.
at 30 kmh.
Yes. And 30 kilometers at 40 kilometers.
And 30 kilometers. All right. What I need to find here is how much time he traveled for. The first one is that he traveled 30 kilometers in 60 minutes. Right? 60 minutes and 1 hour. The second one, he traveled 30 kilometers. No, 30 kilometers at 30h. Then he traveled 30 kilometers at 40h. Everybody see that? Now I want to work this out. That means when I divide this, I carry down the hour to 1. I divide it by that. (40 km). 30 km to 1. 30 km to 30. 40 km to 30. 30 kilometers. He traveled 30 kilometers at 30, and he travels 30 kilometers at 40. Good? I therefore want to know, divided by 40, divided by 40. That means that other 30 kilometers, him never take the full hour. Him take 0.75 of the hour. Are you understanding? Can drive faster than 30 kilometers per hour. You understand? That means that my 2 hours is equal to 60 kilometers, the total distance he traveled, divided by 1 hour, this 30, and divided by and plus 0.75 hours. You see that? Equal to 34 point. Point what? 3 what? All right. I'm going to send the homework in the group. Please go over the 4 videos. What? Oh, wait there.
I think it's in the song.
Oh yeah, skip the salad. Yeah, actually, we're the
At church. Right. Chapter 11. Not class.
She. So I didn't. Yeah. She. So I didn't. In the life. But in the life. What favor you need? What favor you need? In the life. Let's tell she.